festival stories. People go to festivals and celebrations all around the world. There are festivals for lots of different occasions. Let's take a look at some interesting festivals you can visit in different places.
We're at the Sand Sculpting Festival on Frankston Beach, Melbourne, Australia. We're staying here for the weekend. The festival lasts from the end of December to the end of April, and the theme of the sculptures changes every year. This year, the sculptures show creatures and scenes from the age of dinosaurs. They used 3,500 tons of sand to make these huge dinosaur sand sculptures. It's like you're in Jurassic Park. There is also a sand workshop. Professionals help you make your own sand sculptures. I'm definitely making my own dinosaur there tomorrow.
I'm at this year's Roswell UFO Festival in New Mexico, USA. It's a 4-day event that takes place every year in early July. Some people believe that a UFO crashed in a field near Roswell in 1947, and the festival celebrates that event. Everyone dresses up as aliens for the alien costume competition. My sister is dressed up as Princess Leia from the Star Wars films. We even saw tortoises covered in aluminium foil. Today we're taking part in the parade in Main Street. There's also a fireworks display tomorrow night. It's really amazing here and I'm having so much fun.
We're in Saranac Lake, New York, celebrating the local winter carnival. The festival takes place at the beginning of February each year and lasts 10 days. It begins with the crowning of the Winter Carnival King and Queen. Lots of fun events follow, including races and treasure hunts. There are dozens of colourful floats carrying people in fancy costumes. What a cool celebration! The whole town comes alive. We're visiting an ice palace today. The local people build an enormous ice palace as a home for Sarah, the snowy owl, the town mascot.
Are there any festivals like these where you live? Do people dress up in costumes? What activities are there? Are you planning to go?